Scrolling through Amazon, we've heard of the Beech Lane RV leveling system in the past. We happened to find it. It was 80 bucks. We figured we'd give it a shot. We just got it. Let's open up the package, see what's involved, and get it installed in the trailer. What comes in the box? You have the card that has the QR code so you can download the app for Android or iOS. You've got the unit itself. You've got a couple AA batteries, and you've got the mounting screws. They're little tiny guys.
Designed and manufactured in the USA.
You're going to want to get your camper as level as possible before installing the unit. It'll calibrate to that levelness. If you ever need to change anything, you can always do that later in the settings. We're really level. They suggest an outside compartment is the best place to put the unit. We don't have one in the front, so I'm going to use this dead space up here and mount it right here. You want to snap off the cover, and there's 2 spots for the 2 screws. This is all it is, folks. Just that little circuit board and a place for some batteries. When you're installing this, make sure you get this as level as you possibly can as well. And then just screw the screws into where it's going. And all we got to do is stick the batteries in and pop the cover back on. Simple as that. Then you want to open up the app, go through some simple step-by-step instructions. There's videos along the way if you forget what you're doing, but just set as level and you're good to go. You're going to want to measure from the center of your back tire to your front jack. Enter the number in inches. After you have the back rear wheel to the front hitch, you have to do the outside of your tire to the outside of your tire wide. Enter that number in inches as well. Once you've got it all set, it takes you to roll and pitch. Both should be at 0 because that's what you have set as level. It gives you your battery life and the temperature of the unit because it's located inside. So I'm just messing around with it, putting it up and down just to check it out. It's really neat. So I think I'm still going to keep that level in the camper because just messing around with it, it says it's a quarter of an inch high, quarter inch, perfect, quarter of an inch high, perfect. It's flopping back and forth, so I'm right on the edge there. It is really kind of neat to watch it as you level it. So installation was super easy. We can't wait to give this a shot when we go on our first camping trip here in about a month. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you have the same unit, let us know what you think of it. If you have the competitor's unit, we want to know about that too. Which one you've liked, which one works best. I've always been using a straight bubble leveler. I'm still going to keep it in the camper just in case, but we figured for $80, this would be a pretty cool idea. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything like this again. And also, happy camping, everybody.